everyone, welcome to Talks Without a Map, where the only map we follow is, well, vibes. I'm Ridhima.
And I'm Rohan. And today we are diving into a topic that either makes you super dreamy or super dizzy.
Marriage. Very hot topic, right?
Very hot and cool too.
Now, marriage today has two meanings.
Mm-hmm.
One, today, as in the modern world, swipe right, fall in love, plan a wedding, hashtag before even planning the guest list. And two, today, the word that parents use with absolute panic, बेटा शादी कर लो टुडे वरना लड़की नहीं मिलेगी लड़की या लड़का ऑफ कोर्स नहीं मिलेगा
मतलब marriage today, basically what you mean to say is how marriages are operating today
of course
or how people are getting married today, married life, etc., and how the want of getting married, the need of getting married as per the parents is there today, like today आज ही करना है that way.
क्योंकि पेरेंट्स को भी चिंता रहती है कि अरे बेटा बड़ा हो रहा है या बेटी बड़ी हो रही है तो कैसे होगा अगर टाइम पे सब नहीं होगा शादी बच्चे
एंड और वो होना ही चाहिए वो जो ही है ना आगे वो दैट्स देयर एंड ऑनेस्टली द प्रेशर इज रियल यू नो बिकॉज अर्लियर मैरिजेस it was like a driving license compulsory before you hit adulthood but now people are more serious about getting their coffee order right than getting married. I personally feel like so Ridhima, you got married at 24, right?
I got married at 23. At 24 I was a mom.
Arey baap re. So not long after you got married.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, today's 24-year-olds are still figuring out, should I start a YouTube channel or move to Bali? Bali? Why would you go there, by the way? Anyway. See, at 24, we are learning how to do adulting, honestly. Forget raising a child. We are barely raising our credit scores, yaar.
That's true. But you know, somehow I was not petrified of getting married or becoming a mom. I was mentally prepared. Look, marrying in your 20s had its perks. Like, you grow together, which I really experienced while bringing up my kids. Energy is endless. Today, wedding, tomorrow road trip, day after that, running after toddlers. And trust me, like, you know, the enthusiasm that I had that time was much more. And compared to my second kid, I got my second kid after 30 when I was 31. So I would always feel कि यार वो टाइम मेरा enthusiasm कितना था और अभी मैं I was getting tired very early, then my enthusiasm level had gone down. So वो सब भी होता है and then maybe since I got married early, my expectations also were not that high. जैसे जैसे एज बढ़ जाता है like you know expectations also grow. Don't you agree with that?
Yeah, I'm sure, but then what's happening is there are some cons also. Like at 20 something you barely know who you are. Choosing a life partner at that age feels like picking your favorite movie when you have only watched cartoons. And this is what I feel honestly. And आज का दौर अलग है एज कम्पेयर टू आपके ज़माने में जैसे हुआ करता था. मुझे लगता है तब क्या था ना कि ग्रेजुएशन हो गया, एजुकेशन बेसिकली आप सबका हो गया, अभी क्या करना है, नौकरी लग गई, अभी शादी. एंड इट वाज क्वाइट स्वीट ऑल्सो. मतलब तब ना ज़्यादा इतने एम्बिशंस या ये एक्सप्लोर करना है वो करना है. अरे 20 ही हो गए हो ना या 25 ही हो गए हो, बट देन देर इज समथिंग ऑल ट्रैवलिंग. तो ये चीज़ें जहन में नहीं आती थी दैट यू नो यू आर यंग सो यू शुड ट्रैवल, यू आर यंग यू शुड लर्न न्यू थिंग्स, you're young so you should get married. I think that was the more brighter perspective what people had at that time, and your parents I'm sure had. Today it's changing. I think we have discussed this in the age not much topic that we had discussed about.
But you know लोगों को क्या लगता है कि after you get kids you know somehow तुम्हारा independence जाता है, then you can't enjoy. But in my case I really enjoyed with my kids.
अच्छा.
Yeah. So it depends on how you take it. That's what I feel.
Of course. But
see, there are responsibilities. I'm not denying.
Yeah.
Okay. कि बच्चे होते तो थोड़े से limitations आ जाते हैं. But that's like you know if you say कि हाँ आने वाले हैं and you accept it, it becomes easier for you.
But now let's come to the other part of the today thing that we are discussing, like marriage today. It's more from the parents' perspective that you should get married as soon as possible, like literally today that way. So why do you think parents today are maybe पीछे लगे हुए हैं या ऐसे क्यों होता है? Not in all houses, but most of the.
Because age is not stopping for you. See, there are biological age also which you need to consider, because after 30 they say that conceiving
Power,
a baby,
yeah, it's
and
lesser.
yeah, then bringing up that child, as I mentioned कि जब मैं 24 में माँ बनी थी, that time my enthusiasm level was different. When I became mother again at 31,
It was different.
yeah, it was different. The patience level, the energy level, the enthusiasm level, everything changes.
Correct.
So वो भी I think वो उस नजरिए से सोचते हैं.
I think parents know better.
Yeah.
Let's just be clear on this part,
Yeah.
that your parents know better than you know. That's it. But like we were discussing with this gentleman today, he was talking about someone who got married in a haste,
Right.
and she got divorced
Yeah.
just because parents were pressurizing, society was pressurizing. So she married the wrong person, which was not wrong person, and that too at the wrong time. So ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना? So
So
don't you?
probably her expectations were a lot, or probably the other person's expectations were, she couldn't match those, or the other person couldn't match those expectations. So this is what happens as the age progresses.
Okay.
That's what I have observed.
Okay.
When you were 22 or 23, what were your expectations regarding a girl
हाँ.
who you would have liked to marry, and
Huh.
now at
Huh.
29,
Yeah,
what are your
yeah.
expectations?
I feel like that time it was kind of superficial. Like she should be pretty, beautiful. This every guy wants, let's be honest. And she should be intelligent, clever, taking care of family, taking care of me, enthusiastic, and this and that. Now I feel like she should be more cultured rather than anything else. She should have a good understanding of emotions. But at the same time, she should not be as emotional as I am, so that it will balance it out. And she should be able to take up any responsibility like any diligent person would. Because I have learned that over the years, and I feel like
Right.
the way I have grown up from 22 to 29, similarly even she should have grown up, and she must have grown up. तो अगर वैसा मिलन है तो अच्छी बात है. मतलब ये सब अच्छी दिखनी चाहिए, ये सब सुपरफिशियल चीज़ें तब थी. आज लगता है कि पहले ये सब चीज़ें होनी चाहिए. दैट शी शुड बी कल्चरली सेन. व्हेन आई से कल्चरली सेन, एज इन शी शुड नो व्हाट द कल्चर इज ऑल अबाउट. यहाँ रह के शी कांट एम्ब्रेस सम अदर कल्चर विच इज़ नॉट रेलिवेंट, और where I come from, if there is no compatibility. Compatibility being a very good point over here. तो 22 था तब ये सब नहीं लगता था. आज at 29 I feel like these are more important things. Compatibility.
So now you know
and-
ki how your expectations have taken some other turn.
Yeah, turn.
Okay, so probably I'm just like hypothetically, like suppose तुम अगर 24-25 में अगर शादी कर लेते, so probably expectations about each other, like for from girls' perspective also, or from your perspective also, would have changed together.
Correct. Grown up together,
Grown up
basically.
together. So could have been better. ऐसे मुझे
Maybe I feel like the same, but then it was. So when I was in that age, I had a few responsibilities that I had to take care of in the family. I had an ailing grandfather, and there were some property related problems. So I had to be firm with my parents at that time. And my priority was my parents and my grandfather and my house, and I was building a career for myself at that time. As an artist, you know that we need to work a little more harder than a secured job person.
That's true.
So my priorities were different. I was more secured having friends around me than a girlfriend. And I had seen girls, I'd seen my friends getting girls who have exploited them in other ways and stuff, and broken their hearts. So my perspectives changed at that time about
Okay.
having a girlfriend or having a girl in my life. Maybe that wasn't the case 20 years back, 30 years back. I mean, I'm going to a different topic over here. I'm drifting in the topic,
no,
but
this is very much.
I think I'm in the transition of understanding what the girl today wants.
No, but ऐसा नहीं हो सकता था कि probably you could have chosen a girl who could understand your situation that time, in
That
the
process.
way you wanted.
Yeah, but I didn't find any. That's.
Oh, I thought you shut the doors.
I
of
think
your
I
heart.
did shut. Like one of my best friends who stays in New York, he keeps on telling that, Rohan, you have shut the doors only for dating. could be right, but it's not just me, it's a lot of boys who have done that today. And I don't regret this. I don't feel guilty, or I don't feel like अरे ऐसा होता तो अच्छा होता. Sometimes you feel like when you were 22, 24, you could have probably looked for a girl. And at that time they were not, I mean, dating apps weren't quite popular back in the day, and it was considered to be a little taboo also at that time, as compared to now, like post-COVID.
And it's slightly dangerous also,
It
right?
is. Yeah. Now you get to know all these things, right? And that time it was like, what, on dating apps and stuff? So it was more of a taboo, as I said, at that time. At least for me it was. Or my group of friends and stuff like that, culturally, community-wise, what I mean to say is. But abhi aisa nahi hai. And today I see today's kids who are 20, 22, they are exploring everything related to relationships. तो वो काफ़ी अलग ही जोन है जेन जी का अभी जो चल रहा है. So I don't know what scene of marriage they are looking forward to, like how they perceive marriage. All I can say is हमारे generation में हम थोड़े cautious रह गए हैं, या एक age के बाद लगता है कि नहीं अभी I still need to wait for that right person. And probably earlier generations, including your generation, it was just so, it was quite sweet and smooth. कि अभी 20 हो गए 22 हो गए, let's start looking for suitors, let's get you married and grow together. That way.
And we didn't think so much.
Correct.
आज के ज़माने में that relationships have become so brittle. So one has to be very, very cautious. But I feel somehow, I feel कि जितना early 20s में करो उतना अच्छा होगा. That's what I feel. Of course, everybody.
But with the right person.
Of course, with the right person. But now the perception of many things have changed. So I also find it very confusing and very, very difficult to understand what you guys go through.
That's true. But now coming to you guys, as you mentioned, my generation is also like your son is also in my generation. He's married. You have a nice daughter-in-law at home. What do you think is marriage like today? Like couples who are getting married today, how do you think marriage works or operates today? Because it's in your house itself, you must have seen.
In my house, we are more like friends. So we have that freedom to talk about anything. When I get into that probably Sasu Ma ka zone, or when my daughter-in-law gets into that Bahu ka zone, we do have some disagreements.
Correct.
But overall, we are like friends.
Okay.
So there is freedom to talk about anything. See, but having said that, there are certain things where you have to draw a line, right?
Right.
So that line is very important.
Correct.
And that we follow.
But even you must have seen the two of them as a couple. So do you think it's similar to what it was between you and your husband, or couples in your time?
Not really.
It's I think they're more like friends now. Is it that's
more like friends, and they're quite sorted kinds. Like, what I have seen is husband and wife, they are both financially independent, and they have separate accounts, and like they are not dependent on each other, and also they are emotionally also more
quite
or
independent.
less quite independent.
That's good in a way, don't you think? But then
that becomes,
तो फिर marriage का क्या ही है?
Marriage का, exactly.
Because
it's more, see, practically if you think, it is good. But like, you can't be practical in everything, right? Then the essence of marriage goes
bonding
away.
And companionship goes away. I think that is one change in today's marriage world, which I see. But I like the fact that husband and wife both are kind of sorted in their own ways. They know what they want in life. They know what they want to achieve together also. They are not talking without a map, basically. That's what I feel.
Together, as in maybe just travel. Probably there are not everything together, but there are certain things like maybe travel or maybe eating. Yeah, कोई और passion होगी. Like I know superficially, I would say.
I know like couples who want to like paint together and ये workshop एक साथ करना है, मतलब दोनों को मिलकर ही करना है.
पहले होता है यार honeymoon period.
I mean, that's what I see. But when it comes to household chores, expenses, and many a times, couples don't want children also. That's also one thing I have seen. So they have pets.
Yeah.
or they have some other chores and other activities that they
Yeah.
engage themselves in. So I feel like marriages today, the face of marriages is changing.
Yeah. But you know why they don't want kids?
Expenses, that way.
Expenses.
Okay.
अरे यार, जब मुझे बच्चे हुए थे, we didn't have much money, but हम लोग डरे नहीं थे कि कैसे होगा.
हाँ.
In fact, see certain things, I mean, it's better you accept. पानी में गिरने के बाद तैरना
सीखना.
See, you have two options, either to swim or get
Drown.
Yeah. So it's your choice what you want to do. Like, और life में challenges आते रहते हैं. It's your perspective, how you handle it. It depends
But
on that.
I think
लेकिन सब चीज़ों में अगर if you like डर के रहोगे, then how you are going to like pet संभालना is also a
responsibility. Uh-huh.
I have Zar, you know, and he's like my third kid. So I look after him like my own kid.
Correct.
People find it odd कि ये क्या है इसका पागलपन बच्चे जैसा.
हाँ.
But he is my kid, yeah.
Correct.
So it is also a responsibility.
But today, overall expenses only have increased, and making ends meet, and our expectations have also increased.
That's the thing.
ये भी चाहिए, वो भी चाहिए.
That's the
ये
thing.
ऑल्सो पहले होता था ना, अरे थोड़ा सेव करते हैं, 40 के बाद ये करते हैं. अभी चाहिए मुझे, ये भी ज़्यादा एटीट्यूड बढ़ गया है कि नहीं, what 40, I don't know if I'll live till 40, I don't know what will happen when I'll be 40. In my 20s, in my 30s only I want to do this. So उसके लिए तो पैसे चाहिए. So you're prioritizing those expenses towards your passions, and you know, and if you have a partner, then it's even better, merrier.
Yeah. But
Like
if
how-
both the partners are earning, okay, then you can plan accordingly. Your expenses, थोड़े से तुम अपने expenses cut down करो and save for your kids.
Correct.
But now couples, they have become so self-centered. Okay, they want to fulfill their wishes. And they don't want to fulfill their wishes along with their kids, and
Yeah.
or they don't want to keep that extra money for their future generation.
Correct.
ऐसे.
I think so.
And
That's
मुझे लगता है कि अगर तुम्हें जनरेशन नहीं, means if you don't want to have kids, then why get married?
you know, I think the same way sometimes. But then I feel like marriage is more than that. But then I have this contradicting opinion at the same time that, okay, if you don't want to have kids, then why are you legally getting together? You could just stay
Exactly.
together. But then I mean, marriage gives you legal right as a husband and wife. That's one thing why people get married. Correct. But if you're not going to have a child, then I feel like it's kind of incomplete.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And suppose तुम्हें बच्चे नहीं चाहिए, and if now society has also become open for live-in relationships.
Yeah.
Then why not go for live-in relationship?
Exactly.
And looking at today's scenario, like as I was saying, relationships have become brittle.
Correct.
So by getting married, why complicate everything?
वो तो है ही. That's the reason. That's what we're discussing, right? Marriage today, how it is operating today. I mean, I see the same thing what you're just discussing right now. Even I have similar opinions. But very honest question: do you think marriage is an outdated institution, or it's just the face keeps changing of marriage? You think?
I think it's getting back, because when I talk to my daughter, she wants to get married. She wants to have kids.
Kids.
Okay. So she is open to that idea. Whereas my millennial son, he doesn't want kids.
Okay.
So I spoke to my other nephew who is also a Gen Z. Even he wants to get married. He wants to have kids. So I don't know, but I really can't generalize, because
Correct.
these are 2-3 Gen Z kids with whom I know they want to get married.
Yeah.
and
But
have
they're young,
kids.
no? Gen Z, that is, they're very young
Yeah.
now.
So probably when they grow up, they might
change their
Yeah,
mind.
Yeah.
That's right. Okay, coming to this interesting topic, getting married in 30s. A whole different story, don't you think it is? What do you think are the more like pros of it and cons of it? I feel like you're more better off as a person when you have crossed your 30s. You're financially more stable, and you're not just looking for someone to love, but someone who fits in your life goals. I think we just discussed about this right now.
Yeah.
And at 30, you're more mature. You have seen a little bit of life. You have seen a bit of relationships. So
Yeah, but the flip side, as we discussed, higher expectations, lower patience, and you know what is the dating scene? And it's like shopping on the last day of sale. जो बचा है उसे ढूंढना पड़ता है.
You know, my friend was telling me about arranged marriage system because most of us are in that arranged marriage, potentially arranged marriage category now. Most of us तो अभी देखना नहीं शुरू करेंगे ना तो बचे कुछ ही रह जाएंगे.
हाँ वही तो.
And like I'm thinking of that. मतलब ऐसे आई डोंट नो दिस महाराष्ट्रन स्वीट खरवस दैट वी हैव, उसमें ना ऊपर का बहुत फ्रेश होता है और नीचे ऐसे ना वो डिक करना पड़ता है सम.
और पुडिंग
कैरमल पुडिंग वो नीचे वाला जो कोई देखता नहीं है और ये जो ऊपर का खत्म होता है तो नीचे का देयर इज नो अदर चॉइस तो वो लेना पड़ता है. दैट वे आई फील लाइक इट इज, यू नो, कि कुछ बचता ही नहीं है, इसलिए यू नो योर चॉइस, या व्हाट दे से योर चॉइस इज नैरो डाउन, दैट्स व्हाट दे से. It's kind of funny, but
you know, to tell you honestly, see again a different perspective. I love that caramel wala part और जो खरवस I love that part.
But मुझे बचा कुचा नहीं चाहिए.
Generational.
मुझे बचा कुचा नहीं चाहिए, but that's how it is.
See, and what I feel back then at 24, settling down was natural. But today, 24-year-olds are settling their Uber payments, right?
वो भी बचे होते हैं वो ना, you need to pay and that. I think we are, जो एज नॉट मच में मैंने बोला था कि हम अपने आप को अभी भी मतलब 30 साल के बच्चे ही समझते हैं. Like our parents haven't grown. They still look and behave the same way even if they cross 60. We are reaching 30s, crossing 30s, but we still feel like a kid inside.
In fact, I feel at times you guys like, you know, feel like more matured और ऐसे थोड़े थकेले behave करते हो.
पीठ में दुखापन and all that stuff. Yeah. नहीं वो तो ठीक है, that is age related.
No, I mean I'm not talking about physical thing, but mentally also, like, you know, sometimes I tell my son, अरे क्या तेरा क्यों ऐसे बूढ़े जैसा बिहेव कर रहा है, व्हाट इज दिस थिंकिंग, लाइक यू नो, व्हाई यू कांट टेक थिंग्स इन अ पॉजिटिव वे एंड बिहेव. ऐसे ही हर चीज में कैसे यू कैन, लाइक यू नो, क्राई ओवर स्मॉल थिंग्स. And you know, he's kind of more of a perfectionist. I think we should take that topic sometime.
About what?
Imperfection in perfection.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And how beautiful is that? Okay.
It is appreciating your flaws and all these things. Yeah.
So उसके बारे में फिर वो रोते रहता है कि अरे ऐसा नहीं हुआ, वैसे नहीं हुआ. अरे I said there are different ways. If you have to reach a destination and suppose सीधा रास्ता नहीं जा रहा है, then you have to थोड़ा दूसरे रास्ते भी देखने चाहिए.
Okay, coming back to the topic of parents side of marriage today, आज करना है. I don't think they have updated their mental software because for them marriage is still an emergency. I think even severe than what Indira Gandhi had done. More than that, beta umar nikal jayegi, as if eligible boys and girls are like mangoes, seasonal and perishable. Just like the example of kharwas that I gave you, you know, and the classic the classic emotional blackmail. We just want to see you happy ... in a mandap, but no, no pressure. No, on top of it, no pressure. Just मतलब ऐसे ही देखना, but it is complete pressure. That way it is.
But in today's scene, like, you know, पहले एक छोटी आर्ग्यूमेंट में कहते थे हम लोग चलो बैठकर बात करते हैं, आजकल चलो ब्रेकअप करते हैं.
वो तो मैरिज में नहीं हो सकता, लेकिन रिलेशनशिप्स में हो सकता है, या मैरिजेस में
भी हो रहा है. That's what I'm saying.
I am too बोला वाला man about all these things. Yeah, but yeah, in marriages today, in that category of our today, I think we can discuss about this कि breakups, मतलब divorce या breakups भी ज़्यादा हैं थोड़े, यहाँ वहाँ 19-20 हो गया तो directly I want to call it off that way. But sometimes you think it's a smart decision or
see, तुम लोग थोड़ा ट्राई करो, थोड़ा नहीं काफ़ी ट्राई करो, बट यू नो जस्ट फॉर सोसाइटल टैबू और फैमिली के लिए वगैरह, यू नो, सम पीपल प्रेफर टू स्टे इन द बैड मैरिज, बट दे डोंट रियलाइज कि इन रिटर्न दे आर स्पॉइलिंग सो मेनी लाइव्स, देयर चिल्ड्रंस पर्सनालिटी चेंज, देन बाकी के उनके जो रिलेटिव्स होते हैं, जो इमीडिएट रिलेटिव्स होते हैं, उन्हें भी तकलीफ होती है. सो दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट बिकॉज ऑफ द अनरेस्ट इन योर रिलेशनशिप यू आर स्पॉइलिंग अदर रिलेशनशिप्स. सो इन दिस केस, लाइक, यू नो, इट्स बेटर टू
just part ways.
Part your ways, yeah. Anyway, Rohan, this is going to be unending topic.
Yeah.
But what I feel कि marriage isn't a race or a project deadline. It's not कि अच्छा by 30 submit करना ही करना है. Everyone's timing is different.
I hear you.
To each one its own.
Absolutely, I hear you. And शादी या सिंगलहुड दोनों में खुशी मिल सकती है और खुश रहना भी चाहिए. दोनों में खुशी मिल सकती है, दोनों में खुश रहना भी चाहिए. अगर बंदा खुद से खुश है, अगर खुद से खुश, खुद पर और खुद से खुश.
Everything boils down to happiness. So do whatever makes you happy.
True. Yeah. Marriage isn't the ultimate achievement. It's just one of the many beautiful milestones, I feel.
Yeah.
Only if and when it feels right.
Right. So now we want to hear from the audiences. Do you believe marriage should happen early, later, or whenever destiny decides? Can love after breakup or loss feel even more beautiful?
Slide into our DMs, comment, send us your thoughts, but please no biodatas. Only these things. We are good with talks without a map, not shadi.com. Thank you. See you soon.